Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to export your support history data on Snapchat using the latest updated steps. If you've ever contacted Snapchat support and want a record of those interactions, this feature makes it easy to download that information in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small gear. This is where you can manage everything related to your account. Now, scroll down through the settings menu until you find the section labeled Account Actions. Under this section, tap on My Data. This is where Snapchat allows you to request and download different types of account information. Once you're inside the My Data page, you'll see a list of data categories you can include in your export. Look for support history and make sure to toggle it on.